Welcome back to the channel, and today I got something really cool. It's this game-changing Philips Norelco 9400 rechargeable wet-dry electric shaver. This isn't just a shaver though, it's packed with cutting-edge technology designed to give you the ultimate shaving experience. So let's start with talking about the star of the show, the Sense IQ technology. This smart feature actually senses your unique facial contours, giving you a personalized shave every single time. No more guesswork, just effortless and smoothness. Next up, we have the ComfortGlide Ring. The technology, imagine a shaver that glides like a dream and minimizes the irritation on your skin. This technology ensures your shave is as smooth and comfortable as possible, making those dreaded shaving nicks a thing of the past, which I used to get all the time. And whether you're a fan of a quick, dry shave or prefer the luxury of a wet shave, the Philips Norelco 9400 has got you covered because it's designed for both, giving you the flexibility to shave however you like. Now let's talk about the convenience. This shaver comes with a powerful rechargeable battery that gives you up to 60 minutes of cordless shaving on a single charge, and that's plenty of time for whatever you need. You can even take this on a travel and not run out of battery. The intuitive LED display is super handy, keeping you updated on the battery life, cleaning status, and travel lock at a glance. You always know what's going on with your shaver. Cleaning up is probably the easiest part of it all, given that it is waterproof, so you can just rinse it off or just put it in the self-cleaning tub and let it do itself. So no more fussing over cleaning, just enjoy your shave. So if you're ready to upgrade your shaving routine, the Philips Norelco 9400 rechargeable wet-dry electric shaver is a way to go. With its advanced technology and superior comfort, you'll get a shave that leaves you looking and feeling your best. Don't just take my word for it though, guys. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and take care.